Hello everybody, my name is Sip, I'm here again. This is my first video in English. It will be a short video where I explain how to find your ideal customer for your AI automation agency. My name is Sip, I'm 19 and I'm gonna be sharing my journey with my AI automation agency here. In the future I think I will post some different videos, but now this video is about AI automation and how to find the perfect customer. I'm sorry if the quality or the way I speak is bad, but I'm still learning, so that's why. Okay, let's start. 1 second. Okay, I hope everybody can see this. Find your AI automation agency niche. I like to share things in a very direct and functional way, so that's what we will do. I think it can be described in 3 questions. The first one is, what industries do you understand well? If you are like me, so just starting with the journey, you have to know what industries you understand well. For example, my background is more in e-commerce. I used to sell products online, so I know a lot about this industry. For everybody this can be different. For me it's e-commerce, so this one is important because if you find customers and you understand them, you can more easily find their pain points. The second question is, what tools are you the strongest in? I am expecting you to be to have already started with AI automation. There are a lot of tools for this. For me, I use N8N. I really like it. This is a really easy to learn tool and simple to start with. I also use other tools, but for simple tasks I use N8N. And the third question, and in my opinion the most important question, is what types of workflows do you enjoy automating? This can be a lot of different things. That's why it's important to find a direction, because focus is very important in business. I think it can be a lot of different things. For example, you can do customer service, you can also do logistics, you can do administration, data, marketing, lead generation, etc. So you have to find what you enjoy, and most of the time what you enjoy is where you are good at or where you will be good at. For me, I like most of the automation, but I like customer service and also administration. So I suggest, if someone is watching this video, just ask yourself these questions. What industries do you understand well? Where are you good at, or what tools are you good at? And what do you like making? This is the most important one. Now I always like to add some functional value to the video, so that's why I got a list of things that could work for you. These are a few of them. The first one is, and these could very well be an inspiration for your own business. For example, think about Customer service automation for e-commerce businesses. If you sell something online, customers will undoubtedly have questions about these products. Maybe they want to return or something isn't working. If you have a lot of information about the products, you can give it to AI, and maybe you can create a chatbot which answers most of the questions for the customers. Or you can create an AI mail automation, and that's what I did for a customer. I will show you right now. One of my customers has an e-commerce business, and this is a simple automation I made for them. I will go through it quickly. First you get a mail, and this mail gets answered by the AI. And the AI uses OpenAI knowledge, thinking power, a simple memory. It can look into the e-commerce website, if doesn't matter, Shopify, WordPress, WooCommerce, to find more information about the order. Think about maybe the shipment, how far the shipment is, or if the money has been paid back. It can also look in Outlook, so it can look back in the mails and see what's already been sent. And it can look at product information. This text is in Dutch because I am from the Netherlands. With this one, it looks at all the knowledge about the product. So for example, a customer asks something about a product, then the AI will know I have to look here at product information to answer his question. This one helps with making the answer more clear and making it more professional. So this is purely about the information, and this one is about making the mail message better. Then it puts it into a draft so the owner can look and check if the mail is good, and then he can send it if he wants to. So this is an example of offer you can make, but there are a lot of things, and that's why I will go through some more ideas. Quickly, I want to say that my English is very bad, I think, so I have to learn it. If someone is watching this, please know that I'm still learning. Okay, another idea for AI automation is a lead follow-up AI bot, which for example helps with planning wait, let me find the word. Planning appointments for a dentist, for example. So a customer wants to plan an appointment for a dentist, and instead of a person having to do all the work, you can easily do it with AI, with an AI automation which is simply connected with the agenda of the business, and can plan meetings in it. So a person doesn't have to do it anymore, and AI can simply just plan the appointment. That's an idea. For the people who watch, I will put a document in the description with a lot of ideas for AI automation offers. Another one can be an appointment bot for real estate real estate agencies which help the visitor of the real estate website about questions with questions about the house, thing about documents about the house, the price, when they can look at the house physically, these kinds of things. Another one is, for example, a B&B chatbot. So a visitor of the B&B has a question about something in the house and wants to know this. They can just simply ask the chatbot. Instead of calling the owner of the B&B, they can just ask about anything of the accommodation to the chatbot. That saves a lot of time for the owner. Another idea could be a lead intake workflow for health businesses. This is an AI chatbot or AI powered chatbot which asks questions to the customer. This can be a lead for a gym or maybe for a telemedicine company which asks questions about anything health related, and in this way it creates like a health profile for the customer. So they have an custom made offer for them, in which they, for example, tell the customer which medicine they have to take or how long they have to train or which training they have to do in the gym. This can make the customer feel more comfortable with starting at the business. These are some examples. I will share everything down below in the description. I hope you understand my English, and I'm trying to work on it. Thank you for watching.